KB5066835 is the October update for Windows 11 24 H2 25 H2, promising better security and new features. But reports are flooding in about major issues with the update. Looks like this update's got a little too much personality. Let's break down what's going wrong and how you can fix it. You may hit installation errors like 0x800, F922, or 0x800, F983. These error codes are blocking the update from installing. Developers, beware! If you're working with Localhost for web app debugging, you might find that your connection's suddenly gone MIA after the update. Try to preview a PDF or a cloud file from OneDrive, and bam, false security warnings pop up, blocking the preview. For some, after the update, Logitech devices, like the MX Anywhere 3 mouse, stop working properly. No more side buttons or zoom functions. And for those struggling with Windows recovery environment, you might notice your mouse and keyboard aren't working in recovery mode anymore. Oh, right? Now that we've seen all the headaches this update is causing, don't panic. You don't have to just sit there and suffer. Stuck with error codes like 0x800, F922, or 0x800, F983 blocking your update? Just head over to the Microsoft Update Catalog and download the update manually. I've explained how to do it in more detail in my previous video, so make sure to check that out for a step-by-step walkthrough. For my developer friends out there, if Localhost suddenly went MIA after the update, you're not imagining things. KB5066835 seems to break HTTP/2 loopback connections. Let's fix it. Search for PowerShell and open it as administrator. Run these commands to force your system to use HTTP/1.1 instead of HTTP/2. Restart your PC and your Localhost should be back online. It should be emphasized that modifying the registry is only a temporary solution. So, you're trying to preview a PDF or a OneDrive file and Windows says, nope, it's unsafe. Yeah, that's a false alarm caused by the new security rules in Key 5066835. Open PowerShell and run this command. You can replace the path with your actual file. That tells Windows, hey, this file's cool, stop being paranoid. And boom, your previews are back. If your fancy Logitech mouse suddenly forgot how to scroll or those side buttons stopped working, don't panic. It's not you. Unplug your Logitech device. Right-click the Start button, choose Device Manager, and uninstall the drivers under the mice and other pointing devices category. Then restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the base drivers automatically. Or go to Logitech's website and grab the latest version of Logi Options Plus. Alright, if these issues are making your computer malfunction or even just plain stop working, uninstalling the update might be the quickest fix. Before you start though, to prevent data loss, I highly recommend using the 4DDig Partition Manager to back up your important files first. Better safe than sorry, right? Next, open Settings and go to Windows Update. Click Update History. Scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. Find KB5066835 in the list. Click on it. After the uninstall is complete, shut down the computer and restart it. After uninstalling the update, Windows might automatically reinstall it, so make sure to pause updates temporarily to prevent this from happening. Reopen Settings and select Windows Update. Next, click the button to the right of Pause Updates. Then select the duration you want to pause updates. Now, if during this process, you happen to lose important files, don't panic. If you didn't back up your data, 4DDig Windows Data Recovery Tool is here to help. Just hit Scan and let the tool search for lost data. After the scan, you can preview the files and choose which ones you want to recover. Click Restore, select a safe location, and your files are back. Alright, if you were battling with KB5066835 and its issues, hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more of these easy-to-follow solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.